start in yogi squat, if your heels are not touching the mat, you can bring blocks or books. So bring your hands together to your heart. Inhale, and as you exhale, extend your arms forward and come to forward fold with legs extended. If you can, maybe you need to bend the knees, it's fine. We will do it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward, bring your feet parallel to each other. Bring the right foot back to low lunge and frame you, come to your fingertips, framing the front foot. Inhale, and as you exhale, just come to the outside of your front foot. The sole of your feet is up, and you bring the left knee to the side. Wherever you are is fine, with stretching the hips. And then it's up and down. We do it for 4, 3, 2, 1. And next time, just come to the side and breathe here. Inhale, exhale. And the next inhale, come back to center. Plant your hands into the mat and we exchange. Left leg back, right foot is forward. Come to the outside of your front foot. Right knee to the side. Your arm and your fingertips is down and up. And we do it for 4. Drop the knee to the side. 3, 2, 1. And then bring your knee to the side. Stay there and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Plant both hands into the mat and come to seated pose. Extend the right leg long, left leg bend and over the extended leg. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, fold forward over over your thigh. Breathe here. Inhale, bring your arms up and we exchange. Left leg long, bend the right knee, cross over the extended leg. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward and breathe. Inhale, bring your arms up. Easy seated pose. Right leg in front of the left leg. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward inside of your thigh. You come to your fingertips and you come forward as far as you can and you breathe. In the next inhale, bring yourself up and we exchange. Left leg in front of the right leg. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Come to your fingertips and fold forward inside your thighs and breathe. Let's start to meditate. Just come to a nice, comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes to soften your gaze. Make sure your spine is long and the crown of your head to the sky. And just silently start to be with you. Just listen to what your body is telling you, your thoughts. You don't need to change anything, just being aware of it. Let's inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Continue with your breathing. It is time to come back. Start to add movement to your body. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands to heart center.